Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap video. I know the past couple weeks I have not been trading Friday at all, but today we actually had some very clean action. It's a very identifiable trend day, and I was able to take advantage of the opportunity. So, coming into the morning, I mean, it was a very simple day, to be honest. If you go and look at the 15-minute time frame here, you'll notice as well that on ES, right? You can see that this gap here is unfilled right here. Also on the hourly and the 30-minute, there's an unfilled gap. But if you can see, ES actually came in and filled that gap. So we had an SMT divergence there coming into London or a little after London as well. So at that point, I knew that this gap here would be a breakaway gap and that we wouldn't want to fill it. So I knew that that SMT would be there and that this high right here at 745 would be protected. So also coming into the morning, if we can hop down to the 5-minute, we can go ahead and look at the 8:30 opening, the 8:30 candle here. So this was our news candle. I believe we had, let me see, Forex Factory. Today we had core retail sales. So obviously not much happened. We did create this. We actually came up and failed to take out this high. And if you can see here, ES came up and took that high at 755. So we had a bearish SMT there. Knowing that and seeing that SMT, I knew that this high here at 830 would be protected. So no point in trading up to that high at all. So I was really just kind of hoping that we would just continue to sell off and continue the trend day that I was expecting initially. So if we hop down to the 1-minute right here, you could see that we actually did get some displacement. And if you look here on the 2-minute and the 3-minute, here's the 2-minute, we have one gap, and then on the 3-minute as well, we have another gap right here. So I put a limit on that gap with my stop above the 2-minute and 1-minute gap. I knew that we didn't need to put my stop above the 3-minute because the 2-minute and 1-minute were more prominent in that sense, and I knew that it just wouldn't make sense to trade that much higher, especially if we're on a trend day and we have all these different SMTs here holding price lower, protecting certain highs. So I put my limit there, stop above the highs, and I wanted to target the equilibrium of the daily range initially. And that's pretty much what happened. So I set my limit here, and I entered, I know I said 6 on my Instagram, but it was actually 5. So I entered with 5 contracts on the micros. So entered 5 there, and I wanted to see this level here. So I saw this SMT right here. So NQ actually came and took this low, and ES did not. And then I saw this candle kind of flip up here, and I was like, okay, it's probably going to come back up to rebalance the 5-minute to then come back down and take the low. So instead of buying back 4, I accidentally sold 4 again. Just me not being fully awake and being a dumbass, but it is what it is. I sold back 4 on accident, and I ended up buying 9 back. So we still made money on the trade. It was still about a 1. It says 1.8 R, 1 to 1.8 R, but it was probably a little bit less because of that. So slight mistake, but still was a W trade. And then after that, I was watching this 5-minute for value gap here. We ended up trading back up into that 5-minute, right? That's our key level that I was watching because there's no high time frame key level to really go off of, right? So I just watched the 5-minute. So we traded into the 5-minute key level. We also came up and SMT'd with the, we SMT'd with the 933 high. So this high was protected. This high was protected here. So I knew that we wouldn't want to trade up here. So after seeing that 5-minute key level with the SMT and an inversion here, I slapped a short down on that all the way down to the daily discount zone. So if you go to the daily time frame right here, you'll actually notice that if you look from this low to this high, equilibrium aligns with that blue line that I marked out, which was my drawn liquidity. So that's pretty much all I was looking for today. And that was it. It was a very simple day, very short. Wasn't on the charts for that long at all. Pretty much was on the chart for half an hour or 42 minutes. Very simple. Five bands in 30 minutes. I mean, better than any other job I know. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys really. There wasn't really much to go in depth about really. It was just very simple action. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe, leave comments or any suggestions that you guys might have for any future videos. Just kind of take reference from this. But that's all I got for you guys. Also, please join the free Discord, guys. I give out sauce on there every single day. Every single day. Obviously, I signaled a loss yesterday, but today, today was great. Today was awesome. So make sure to go and join the free Discord. It's going to be going paid soon. Okay, so secure your spot now. All right, and I promise you, it's gonna change your life. I also do one-on-one mentorships right now, so spots are slightly limited for that. So if you guys are interested in being mentored by me one-on-one, go ahead and go in my Beacons link, and I have a website in there. You can go and kind of figure it out yourself. It's pretty easy. Just schedule a call with me, and yeah, that'll all be good there. So I'll leave you guys with that. Beautiful day to end the week. And yeah, boys, I will catch you guys on Monday next week. Peace.